Hey guys, welcome to Souls of Samadhi, aka SOS for short. Today we'll be going over High Crescent Lunge. So if you saw the previous video, we went over Anjaneyasana, also known as Crescent Lunge or Low Lunge. Today we'll be going over High Crescent. So it's basically the same setup that we had before, except our back knee is lifted off the mat. So same idea, we'll start in a forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale for a halfway lift to create space, and exhale to release. Plant your fingertips down, and then step. In this case, I'm stepping my right leg back. Again, checking the weight is in the front of my ball of my front foot. Knee is stacked on top of my ankle, and then I'm on the ball of my back foot. My right heel is lifted. Both hips are squared to the front of the mat, and then both arms extended towards the sky. So this is known as High Crescent Lunge. Right, and then if you want to challenge it, what we can do in our classes sometimes to make it a little bit tougher is to lower the right knee towards the mat. And this just adds that extra weight on the legs, basically. It makes it a little bit more challenging, a little bit tougher. But again, if you want to just come back to a high crescent, you're straightening your back leg, back heel is lifted, and again, left knee stacked on top of the ankle. Both arms to the sky and gazing upwards. Right, and then you can step forward into forward fold to reset. We'll do the left side. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Step your left foot back. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Both arms rise up to the sky. Again, my front knee stacked on top of my ankle. My back heel is lifted off the mat. Both arms to the sky. Hips squared to the front. Crescent lunge. Right. So again, I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to try it out and let me know how it goes. I'll see you for the next one.